Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com just after 7 o'clock as we record this video update for you on Tuesday morning. And temperatures are running 10 to 15 degrees above where we should be across the Midwest, Ohio Valley, and that equates to generally middle 70s, as we see here on the right, and in some cases upper 70s. And then you throw in the fact that we've got a very moisture-rich air mass in place, a high dew point air. It's already a muggy feel to the day, and it's only going to get worse. We think eventually heat indices will approach the 95 to 100 degree mark across central Indiana later on this afternoon. So air you can wear, oppressive, horrible, however you want to describe it. It's certainly going to be that later on this afternoon. But thankfully, as we've been discussing, this is not going to continue in the longer term. Dew points generally, as mentioned, again, in the oppressive category, already 70-degree dew point in Indianapolis, and then we've got some lower 70s across Illinois. So a very moist feel and a humid, muggy feel, just that heavy feel to the air as you step outside. This is a look at the Storm Prediction Center Day 2 outlook valid for tomorrow. Slight risk does encompass far northwestern portions of the state and a marginal risk across the majority of Indiana. And then before we get into the forecast radar here over the next couple of days with increased chances of showers and thunderstorms, we did just want to touch briefly on the heat indices. Forgive this particular image, but in general, heat indices of 95 to 100 degrees can be expected later on this afternoon. Limit outdoor activity. Have a way to drink plenty of water and get shade and get indoors as you can. Putting the forecast radar here into motion shows our quiet start to the day that should actually give way to a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms over the next 24 to 48 hours. This is valid at 6 o'clock, and we'll put this into motion through the evening, and you notice that the high-resolution NAM wants to bring a line of thunderstorms south into Indianapolis late tonight. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Again, many of us need rain, and we think as we go through the next couple of weeks in general, this pattern turns much more active, wetter overall, and this is just the beginning of that, we think. And then as we go into the day Wednesday, the high-resolution NAM will bring another line of thunderstorms into the area late Wednesday night into Thursday morning from the northwest. A little bit more widespread. Again, with the Storm Prediction Center including northwestern portions of the state under a slight risk. Some of these storms could be strong to severe as well as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. We'll finish up, guys, this morning with taking a look at the latest GFS forecast model out through the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. A cold front will slide through here, we think, over the weekend with more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity Saturday into the day Sunday. Obviously, timing will have to be kind of fine-tuned as we go through the next couple of days, but in general, a more active weather pattern will continue. And that continues, we think, for the majority of the rest of June. This is a look at the GFS Ensemble 10-day precipitation mean. Widespread 2 inches plus through the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes, and upper Midwest, and that's a good signal for us. And while we're not looking at uniform type rains over the next few days, at times scattered heavy downpours will certainly dot the landscape and help us out. And we think as a whole, we're going into the end of June at least with a busier weather signal than what we had to open the month. And thankfully, once the rain and the storms get going, temperatures are going to turn significantly cooler as well. We don't have that for you this morning, but we'll discuss that in further detail later on this afternoon and evening with another update on NDWX.com. Make it a great day. Stay cool out there. We'll talk with you soon, guys.